This YouTube channel has managed to attract 2.5 million subscribers. But what's even more amazing is that these 813 videos have a combined total of over 1 billion views. What's even more amazing? These are long videos. And now let's do some math. Numbers that will blow your mind. This niche has an RPM, revenue per thousand views, of between $2 and $4. Let's assume the average is $2.50. If you don't know what RPM is, it's the amount YouTube pays content creators for every 1,000 views. Now multiply that by the number of views, then divide by 1,000. The result? This channel makes $30,000 a month and $370,000 a year. So fire up your computer and get ready, because we're in for an exciting tutorial. Below, I'll show you a video that was created for this niche. But again, the same pattern is repeated. But why does this happen? And how can we break out of this cycle? Let's embark on this journey and learn how we can make a difference. Log into ChatGPT now. After logging into ChatGPT, simply enter your request in the chat box. For example, as I wrote, create a script for me about the story of Rapunzel. Just a few moments later, ChatGPT prepared a complete and professional script for me. Now it's your turn. Log in, write your ideas in ChatGPT, and create your first content. Now go to the Readkidz website. Just click on the Try Readkidz for free option, then sign up with your Gmail. It's completely free. I've put the link to the site in the video description so you can easily access it. Once you log in, you will be greeted with a simple and easy-to-use dashboard that includes 3 main options: AI Generate, Use My Story, and Template. Use the power of AI to create a new and engaging story. Upload a pre-written story. If you have a ready-made story, you can customize it in different formats. Convert story to book. Turn your story into a beautiful picture book, or use pre-designed templates. But today, we are focusing on the advanced AI feature, a tool that will help you create an amazing book even without any experience. The process is very easy and fast, and it only takes a few clicks. Now that you're logged into your dashboard, follow these steps to create your content. Click on AI Generate. Select Video Settings, Reader Age. Specify the age of your audience story type. Select the type of story, e.g. motivational, educational, narrative, etc. Writing style. Select your preferred writing style, formal, inspirational, narrative, etc. Anthropomorphic. Enable this option to make the characters in your story more lifelike and engaging. Size. Set the video's aspect ratio to 16.9 to make it ideal for YouTube. Finally, click on AI Generate and wait for the system to generate your desired text. Go to the original story section. In this section, your entire story will be created by artificial intelligence. After the story is complete, click Extract Roles. This will automatically extract all the characters in the story. Wait and click Confirm Role. After a few moments, the system will process the character information. Now the style selection page will open. In this section, you can choose from various graphic and visual styles to make your video look exactly as you like. After selecting the desired style, simply click Next to proceed to the next step. Now in the story section, you can see that your video script is ready, and in the storyboard section, you can see that each part of your story is ready. Click on the next option. Now you can see the images created. How high quality are these images? The images produced are high resolution, detailed, and professionally designed. It is truly amazing that Readkidz can create such high quality images in a matter of seconds. If you don't like a photo, don't worry. Just click Generate, and the AI will create a new and different image for you. The process is very fast and simple. After selecting the images you want, click Next to move on to the next step. Now your images are ready, and in the next step, we will learn how to turn these images into a great video. Now it's time to set up the subtitles and audio subtitle selection. In this section, you can choose from several subtitle options. After selecting, you can adjust the color, size, font, and display style of the subtitles to match your video. Voiceover selection. Now we come to the narrator selection section. You can choose a narrator from several professional and natural voices that match the mood of your video. If you like, you can also change settings such as the speed and tone of the voice. The final step, generating the video. Now that everything is ready, there are just a few more steps left to create your video. Click Generate Video to go to the video generation stage. Choose a suitable and catchy name for your video, something that will grab the attention of your audience. In this section, you can add special effects to the video to make it more interesting. Adjust motion animations to make the video look more natural and professional. Choose a suitable background song to enhance the mood of your video. Click Generate. After you have made all the settings, click this option to generate your final video. Your video is ready. Just click on Download Video.
Tales Retold, Rapunzel's Great Escape, and Other Twisted Stories. In a crystalline tower that pierced the clouds, Rapunzel sat by her window, surrounded by secretly collected engineering and physics books. Unlike the traditional tales, these weren't romance novels, but technical manuals the witch had carelessly left behind during her visits, each one feeding Rapunzel's brilliant mind. There must be a way out, Rapunzel pondered, observing her enchanted golden hair coiled around her like a gleaming serpent. Though the witch's spell prevented her hair from being used as a simple escape rope, Rapunzel's scientific mind had detected an intriguing loophole in the enchantment. In the quiet of night, Rapunzel transformed her tower into a secret laboratory, meticulously weaving her hair into an intricate pulley system based on physics principles. Through countless experiments and adjustments, she crafted an ingenious flying machine using her magical hair as cables, repurposed furniture beams, and bedsheets. Beneath the waves, Viking warrior Princess Aria revolutionized human-mer relations by inventing underwater breathing technology, forging the first alliance between sea and land. And somewhere between stories, young Roby traveled through time, helping fairy tale characters rewrite their destinies while navigating the complex web of changing timelines. The witch's discovery the next morning revealed only an empty tower and a clever note, announcing Rapunzel's mission to help others rewrite their stories. Finally, joining forces with Roby, they empowered fairy tale characters to reshape their destinies using creativity, courage, and innovation.
In a cozy cottage at the edge of Whispering Woods lived a young mouse named Mila. Unlike other mice who spent their evenings gathering cheese and seeds, Mila loved to sit by her window and listen to the nighttime sounds. Her large, sensitive ears could pick up the gentlest rustling of leaves and the softest cricket chirps. She wore a tiny violet scarf around her neck, a gift from her grandmother, which she believed brought her good luck. Every evening, when the moon rose high in the sky, Mila would hear the most beautiful music floating through the air. It was a melody so enchanting that it made her whiskers tingle and her heart dance. She often wondered where this mysterious music came from, but she was too shy to venture far from her cottage to find out. One particularly starlit evening, while Mila was arranging her collection of pretty pebbles on her windowsill, she heard something different in the usual melody. There was a note of sadness in the music, a gentle weeping that touched her heart. Despite her timidity, Mila knew she had to find the source of this sorrowful song. Gathering her courage and wrapping her lucky scarf a little tighter, Mila stepped out of her cottage. The moon cast silver shadows through the trees, creating a magical path before her. As she walked, she met Oliver, a wise old owl who perched on a low branch. "Where are you headed, little Mila?" Oliver asked, his round eyes gleaming kindly.
Guys, if you want to produce more videos, you need to get one of the paid plans. There are options like $8, $20, or $60. If you want, you can activate one of these plans to get more features. Of course, this tool is also available for free, so if you don't want to pay, you can still use it. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of the video. Good luck until the next video.